This is the last time I mention you, Allie. Yeah. I mean it, yo. I killed myself off a freaking week ago. Show you a weeping hoe. Go to sleep in snow, 'cause it's like you. Freezing cold, and I freaking told you, leave me. Go! I'm still breathing, yo, and my heart is beating slow. Will never be even, ho. Don't speak, you know. Live life in the fast lane. I'll slam you off the freeway. You'll swerve and you turn into oncoming traffic. I'm switching lanes. You heard that I'm insane, but it's not just my pen game. It's my dead brain inside my head's flame. Flashback, snapback, everything is wick-wack, and I act casually, even though my reality is actually a motherfucking catastrophe. My life's a tragedy, but I live it for my friends and family. This is private biz, 'cause I'm crying as I'm writing this. Nail in the coffin with the iron fist. The sirens is blaring, visions impairing as I'm staring, daring you to take one more step. And I swear it'll be your death. Place your bet and it'll be your head. You made your bed, now sleep. I'm no longer weak, standing on my feet. Your beat, taste defeat. I don't know what's left for me, but best believe I'm making my own destiny. Even if it beheads me and breaks the levee, you can pretend you never met me, 'cause I'm sick of this. It's getting ridiculous. I didn't envision us like this, did you? Picture this? Flip back a few instances. I'm spitting the sentences, not trying to offend you, bitch, but you are my nemesis. All I remember is you suddenly hate me. I made you so angry, then you were faking, my heart shaking. Yeah, and I hit the pavement. This is me painting. Throw my pain in with my misery. We're history. It consists to be a mystery, 'cause physically there are unanswered questions. Count your blessings, 'cause my blank expression is due to you. I learned some lessons. 1, never trust a hoe. 2, never take it slow. 3, you shoulda never fucked with me, 'cause I can fucking be the hell you'll see. There's no escaping your life. I'm a taken, tired of waiting. Man, I'm shaking. Better keep praying you awaken. I told you I'm crazy. You shouldn't have played me. You got me so angry. An angel can't even save me. So I might as well die in your arms with your house flaming, holding your baby, and maybe we start over the day we met. Or is it all in my head? Whatever the case is, I'm fucking better off dead.